So guys, down at Inspired, we're not only detailing PPF, obviously protection film. I don't know what he's doing. Obviously what we do as a big service now is the maintenance packages, and they're really, really popular. What we basically do is decontaminate your car for you properly. This isn't actually a 2 or 3 hour process. It's generally taking a bit longer. We allocate 2 or 3 hours because we do a lot of these on cars that we've basically detailed or maintained, and they obviously are a lot cleaner and they don't get tar or contamination on. This car is customers who actually has used us for years. He's been down at Diversion this morning for some work doing, and he's booked in with us now for a couple of days. The car, it's a mega spec. I'll get Matt to go through it, to be fair. It's a really good spec car. I mean, it's done loads to it. It's got the big EBC brakes. It's got a load of, I forgot what the actual brand is, to be fair. It's Delta Styling, that's the one. It's got a lot of Delta Styling parts on it. We're going to be fitting some skirts on it. He's just put some eyebrows on at Diversion. But the car itself's never been to us, and the reality with this one is it's seriously contaminated. Now, being white, it's more obvious, and people probably are aware of that. You start to see bits of orange and flake and like rust on the car, and even fallout removers don't particularly take it off. Now, even though this is only in really for a maintenance package, the customer's upgraded to give us a single day detailing on it at the same time. So what we're doing, we're going to clay bar the full car. That's already taken a couple of hours, and we're still doing that. Or I should say Matt's doing that, because I'm getting warm inside doing some of the work, which is why I've got the beanie on, part of the merchandise range, because I'm outside and it's bloody freezing. But anyway, what we're doing is we're basically we clay bar in the car now. It's had the 2 pre-wash, then it's had a wash process, then it's had a fallout remover process. Now it's having the clay bar. Once the clay bar side of it's done and it's dried and it's air dried, it's going on the ramp. Matt's then going to be doing over it with a buffer. He's going to do a single stage or a skim, whatever you want to call it, and that's to remove any light marring that the clay bar may have put in. Then we're going to be putting a coating on there as part of the basically the Ceramic Pro maintenance package that he's booked in for. And what we're actually doing on that is going to protect the car for 6 to 12 months, depending how he keeps up with it. Clean the glass itself, clean the panel. Every panel's going to have it on. Your trims are going to have it on. It's got a vinyl roof, so we're going to protect that with something slightly different. The wheels are coming off the car. The brake calipers are going to be sealed, and the wheels are going to be sealed. That's really effectively going to give us 2 days on this car to do it on. We've then got a set of side skirts to fit for him and some undercar neons that he's supplied. We're going to be doing that as part of the process. But this is to advertise the maintenance packages that we do at Inspired. Have a look on the website. Click on the actual menu box or the drop down box that you go on, depending if you're on a phone, because it's optimised for your phone, and it says Ceramic Pro maintenance package, and it's a seriously high-end package. You get a hell of a lot for your money. It's not expensive, it's really not. It's £125 plus VAT. There is a premium version of that, but we're literally spending 3 to 4 hours on your car as a basic. With that, if it needs more, there's no extra charge. So if it's heavily contaminated, if it's full of tar, we're not charging you anything extra for that. That's just something we take the hit on. But we're using Ceramic Pro products on it afterwards, and we are really maintaining and sealing this car. This is a service that if you did it at home, truthfully, would probably take you a day to a day and a half, maybe even longer if you committed to it, because it's quite long-winded. It's absolutely freezing at the minute. Anybody that says it isn't, well, I wish I were in your boots, because I'm freezing. Let us do this for you guys. Book in with us. We can have your car done in realistically half a day. You can just drop it off in the morning or the after, like midday dinner time, pick it up at the end of the day. We can get all your car fully prepped for you, and we also do a free valet, a standard valet, free of charge, completely everything on your interior. If you want any upgrades, we'll speak about them when I come here. We're not here to just kind of add things on. But just give us a call. Let us work on your car for you guys. Let us transform your car for the winter, get it protected, and do it for a really small cost. If you were to buy the products that we're using on this, you'd be £150 to £200 in products alone, never mind the labour. Seriously, honestly, it's a really good service, guys. The amount of people that have booked in with this since we've moved to this new unit, because we never did maintenance packages before. We just didn't have the, or I should say, I didn't have the time when I worked with just me. Now Matt's here with us, and we've got Reem. We've got a lot more time available to do these jobs, and it's something customers have been asking us for years to do. So again, give us a shout, guys. Have a look on the website, or just give us a call. Let one of the team speak to you. We'll go through exactly what we do. The website highlights it all, and this will transform your car if you don't want to go into the levels of detailing. It really will. Again, if you haven't seen, stuff like the merchandise range that's available. I know look a Pelican beanie, but you know what it's called. If you're interested in anything from the shop itself, anything for Christmas, just bear in mind, if you haven't seen it already, we've put a code online and we've done 40% off everything. That includes all the merchandise that you can actually see, all the accessories and the product range. 40%, guys. Even if you don't want it for you, if you want the ultimate premium car care products, or you just want something from our merchandise range, which I believe is actually the biggest merchandise range from a detailing company, and we're really passionate about it. As you can see, we've got the designer shirts, we've got the new Porsche GT3 shirt to go with the skate deck we've put underneath, and we've got the Yaris GR one. Now that has been seriously popular, especially on the open day. I can't remember if I got it on bloody camera, but the Yaris GR t-shirt is really popular. We've had a few of those go to Sweden, we've had a few go to Germany as well. But this whole range, everything you buy online, 40% off, guys. Just go to the checkout, type in IA in capitals, and that's your discount code. Thanks for watching again, guys. Watch the next vlog when we put it on. Cheers again.